Now let's see Super MB M6. You can connect it to PC via network cable or Wi-Fi. That is an indicator on the device, and this is the OBD port for main cable. Same functions as SDC4, it mainly supports all system diagnosis, online programming. An account is required, coding, new WIFI protocol, Benz models, ECU upgrade, modification, etc. Now we connect main cable to take a test in car. Connect by Wi-Fi, open up Essential app and select Benz W205. After the car is identified, select Initial Quick Test. "38 modules in this car, now it's coming to the 18th. Now all modules have been scanned. Tick means the module works well, no faults. F means the module has a DTC. You can press plus to view details about ECU info or DTCS.